Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix printer offline problem on Windows PC and laptop. First method is more devices and printers settings. Second method is change printer spooler service settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.